Hey everyone! I have a Temu haul for you guys. I am an affiliate with them. I do have a code for you guys. It is FAB45575. So I did post on my Instagram and on the community tab here on YouTube that tariffs have officially hit Temu. I'm so bummed. I went to go place an order because even though they do send me some stuff, sometimes I actually spend more money with them than what they send me. So I went to go place an order and my order was $30 worth of products, but my total was $80 and I couldn't figure out why. It took me a minute and then I realized that there was a import fee. So the import fee was $50 and I couldn't justify buying $30 worth of products and spending $50 on import fees. So I posted that and some of you said to check out the local stores, like the local warehouse stores, I think you guys said it was called, but that there is like a $3 shipping fee. So I need to look into that some more. So the little bit I was looking was like if you buy 3 items from one local warehouse, you only pay the $3 shipping fee once. And if you spend $30, then it's free shipping. So I need to do some more research into that because from what I was looking in that short, like I did like a 10-minute like little research thing in my own car and shopping for stuff. The stuff from the local warehouse is like double or triple than what it was on Temu. Like just regular like old Temu. So I don't know. I guess the only good thing about this is I will be cutting back on my shopping. So my wallet will be very happy. That's all I can think of for now. So let's dive on in. I did get a couple more items here. Let's see. So $4.36. I got this little pouch that I thought was kind of cool. So it has a front zipper here. So you could put your items here. Then you can open this pouch and put some like washi there. And then this opens up here. And you have little pockets, a whole little pouch, a whole another pouch here. You got this little center spot. So I thought this was really nice, especially if you want to like travel with it. I thought this would be a good little travel bag. So that's why I grabbed this one. And I want to get back into my craft room because right now I'm like working out of the garage. And my craft room is white and clear. So I figured that little cream color would be a good one to go ahead and have. This was $1.28. I have bought these so many times. They are these little cases. I love the double closure. I have road tripped, airplane, cruise ship. I've done everything with one of these cases and it's still perfectly fine. Never gives me any problems. So yeah, I buy these all the time. Like I said, I've been trying to like clean and organize. So I have like a Valentine's box. I have multiple Halloween, multiple Christmas, spring box, and Easter box. So these come in very, very handy with like trying to organize stuff. Okay, this was a mistake buy. I thought I was getting like a marker set with the bag. And it was no longer in stock, so there was no link for me to click on, and I couldn't find and figure out how much I had paid, but I want to say it was like $8 or $9. So I'm like, this was not worth it. I should have read the description box to realize that I was just getting the bag and not the markers. But I remember for that price, I thought it was the bag and the markers because, you know, Temu's pretty affordable. So like $8 and change for this bag is just like outrageous. And then, like I said, it was no longer in stock. So yeah, I just have this weirdo little bag now that I don't know what I'm going to do with it. So that was totally disappointing. That was a total bust. That was my mistake that I didn't like pay attention better. So yeah, always read the description box. What can I say? Okay, this one I got because we go to Vegas pretty often and we love to gamble. And I'm pretty sure I got the dice for this as well. So this was $2.82. But this is really good for Alice in Wonderland. So even like the dice have hearts. The little deck of cards right here that are hearts. This kind of reminds me of like pixie dust, like Disney. So I thought this would be really good to use for like a multiple little things. Okay, I knew I had got the dice set. I got both. And this was $3.60. So what is that, like $6 in total for the 2 pieces? That's an amazing deal. That's really, really good. So I got those. I always need beadable pens. These are like one of my favorite things to do. Beadable pens and pokey tools are my absolute favorite. So I got this mixed pack of colors. Ooh, I didn't even realize that there's some like ombre ones in here. I thought they were all just like solid. So there's those. This was 20 pieces and it was $5.61. Pins and pokey tools, my favorite crafting. Anything with beads, I absolutely love. I also got this pack that was $4.94. And this is to make little keychains that are beadable. So I thought these were really cool. I had some that are like round down here. So this one being like pokey, I thought was pretty interesting. So you could just go ahead and screw the bar off, put your beads on, and then reattach it. Then you could even put this like on a spine of a book if you wanted to. Just hang it off, or like I said, put your little key ring up here. So I thought that was really fun, and I love that it was different than what I've already had in the past. This was $2 even. And I thought this set was really interesting if you want to like track anything. I've been talking about getting back into my planner, so I thought this was really cool. So 1 through 100 right here, you could go ahead and track. And then you have like your little calendar. There's your habit, your month, all your little extra stuff on top. I thought that was pretty fun. These are really pretty. I loved the gold around the edges of the flowers. I thought they were really nice. So you can see right on the edges, there's gold, and then there's blue flowers, which you guys know I love my blue flowers. So I thought those were really, really pretty to have. And this was $1.50 for 50 pieces. Wow, that's really good. That was really good. And then I wonder if these would work for like paper flowers. I might do that. Like stick this in the center of a paper flower. That might be really pretty. So I might try that. And like I said, I love doing the pokey tools and the beadable pens. So I got this 50 pack of assorted bags. So this was $2.83. So there is some white, but these have like stars to them. Then there's these hearts. There's hollow bags. Pink, not my favorite. There's gold. Some more holographic. Some black. These are going to be really good for Halloween. And then just some white bags. So really excited that I got this stuff before those tariffs kicked in. The order I was going to place was going to be for 4th of July. I haven't done 4th of July crafting in forever. And I was really excited to place my order. I had a couple dies, a couple beads. And yeah, that's just totally on pause for right now. Because like I said, I'm not willing to pay the tariff price on those, so that's just gonna have to wait. I did buy some Bumblebee stuff. I think it was like 2 hauls ago. So I got some more stuff for my Bumblebee project that I want to do. $1.50. What is that? 5 pieces, but aren't those so cute? I just thought those were adorable, so really excited I got those. I could even totally do one of these boxes of just bee stuff because I have a lot of bees. I love bees, I love bugs, I love dinos, so definitely have enough to make a whole box out of that stuff. And then you guys know I'm huge on Disney cruises, so they had these little dies right here. So Treasure is the newest ship. Then they're coming out with the Disney Destiny and the Disney Adventure. So I grabbed those. So I have not been on any of these ships yet. I do have a cruise booked for the Treasure. And let's see, we're going in September. We're going to be on the Disney Wonder. That's going to be the one that takes us to Alaska. So that's going to be really fun. Oh, these were $2.48 for those 3 dies. And let's see, this was $2.95 for 10 pieces. Oh yeah, these were pretty. Look at how nice they are. They are like 3D. Really, really cute. Like this one has like little pearls in there. Look at that. I want to try to paint that flower blue. I just thought these were gorgeous. And I love how they are like 3D and raised and so pretty. Love those. So I haven't done any spring crafting, and though I keep saying like, oh yeah, I'm gonna do it, I haven't gotten to it yet. So that's part of why I got those. And then, oh, this one I just thought was really cute. So it's snail mail, happy mail stamps. I thought that was really cute. Like, look at the little like postal worker right here. So cute. Oh, that would have been awesome if they had like a thank you postal workers. I don't see that on here. We have pen pal, happy mail, from Hugs and Clothes, special delivery. Admit it, you're smiling already. That's so cute. I love that. Better than an email. You've got happy mail. So yeah, that would have been really cute if they had like a thank you postal worker, so you can stamp this on the envelope and then put that. That would have been so cute. So this was $1.57. I will leave a link down below with all these products. It's up to you guys if you want to spend the money for the tariffs or not. I'm just not really interested in spending that much on just fees, I guess you would call it, the tariffs, you know. So import fees is how they're putting it on those sites. So but I will link everything just in case you guys are interested. Maybe like some kind of resolution will come. I have no idea. So anyways, that's a little haul. I do have one more package coming in, and that is my final package, and who knows for how long that's gonna be. I am looking for cardstock that is 12 by 12 and 110-pound cardstock. Somebody said I could find that at Michael's. I did try looking on their website and I couldn't find it, so I'll have to go into the store. So if anybody knows where in like San Diego, Los Angeles area where I can get 110-pound cardstock that's 12 by 12 and in colors, please let me know. I used to buy mine from Joann's, but as we know, that is closing down, so that's not an option anymore. And my store doesn't have any. I did go and look, and they didn't have any. So, all right, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.